Yes, today we are going to see the perception. So most important topic and awaiting topic to everyone, which is very impacting factor to every individual's life. So perception is one of the most impacting factor for the behavior, individual behavior, and that impacts the group behavior and also group performance and individual performance. So perception, what is meant by perception? In the last class, we have gone through how people perceive the thing and what is the basic definition of perception. Today you are having a picture before you where two people are standing and one is interrupting 6 and one is saying as 9. What is this talks about? Whether it is 6 or 9. According to each other, everyone is correct as per their perception. They can justify that it is 6 from their point of view. That's why in the last class I have told you that perception is viewpoint of an individual about something. So when an information enters into your mind, and what is you makes it, you cook something and interrupts your decision and interprets the what you have targeted, whatever the object you have targeted, you will be interrupting that, you will be analyzing that picture, and out of it what you have understood, what is your viewpoint, that will be the outcome, what you will be, that will be your decision about that target. So here you can see the object, you can see the picture which depicts two persons talking about, some is saying it is 6, one is saying it is 6, one is saying it is 9. According to them, both are correct. And the concept of this perception was given by Max Wettmer. Now, if you have seen this picture, it depicts, some may say that it is a tree with some of the birds. Isn't it? No, you can also see, some may say there are two animals are there in that picture. The way you perceive the things, it is only a tree. Some may say it is only the two animals under a tree. So that means the way you perceive the things, the way you see the things, it depicts the outcome. So here the picture depicts a tree with two animals. Both are correct. The way, the viewpoints of both the things are correct. So the next one is, here we are going to talk about the experience of how people react to the situation and depending upon their perception. So how this perception impacts the individual performance. Here we have a case study. I have taken two people, two individual. One is Gautam and the second one is Pratibha. Both are a new joinees in an organization. This is the picture of Pratibha, who is a new joining, how she reacted in the organization. What is her reaction when he entered into the new organization? She has been placed in a new organization. She got a job, and now let us go through this case study. Pratibha is a clerk who has just started a new job. After completing her first day, she returns to home and shares her feelings with her husband. So let her see. You can see the picture depicts something like, I have got to get out of the debt and job. She's really frustrated emotion. She's really frustrated with this whatever she has experienced at the workplace in her first day. So it is a disappointed. She's talking with a lot of disappointment. What happened at the workplace? Let us see. What is her experience in the first day at the workplace? So it was a very hectic day. She is explaining the workplace. She explaining her husband about her experience at the workplace. She is saying it is really a hectic day. I don't like this day. I was really disappointed. What happened? How people has treated me at the workplace. See, I don't like the people there. I don't like, really, the people are really messy, and I don't like the way they have behaved. She's saying they were very unapproachable. They are very unapproachable. I felt that they are staring at me and laughing within themselves, talking about me something. And I'm sure they're talking and making fun of me. This is all her feelings after entering into the job, entering into the new office. So only one person came forward and spoke to me and asked me to join them for lunch. I think even that was a manipulated move. That is also a manipulated move. Uh, they have done intentionally. So, and I don't feel like going back to that bloody office. I am dreaded tomorrow already. I wish I could get a better job opportunity somewhere else. That is her feeling after entering the job. This same situation given to another person, she who was rotated simultaneously in the same office for the same position, and the same situation has arrived to the another person called as Gautam. Let us see his reaction. See how Gautam is. He's very fascinated, very happy with whatever with his first job and first day experience in the organization at the company. So let us see his experience. What he is saying. Another new employee, Gautam, recounts his first day at a new workplace. So, wow, it was wonderful experience. What is this experience? It is really wonderful experience at work today. My colleagues were so friendly. As she told, they are unapproachable, and he's saying that they're really friendly. All of them were very attentive and smiled at me and made me feel very comfortable. She is saying that they're making fun of me. They're smiling at me. One of them came forward and invited me for lunch. They are a bunch of wonderful people. I met today a bunch of wonderful people. They're really nice people. I think I'm going to love working there. So this is the kind of job and organization that I was looking for. This is what I'm looking for all these days. This is kind of job I'm looking forward to do. So this is a positive response where he got out of the same situation that is experienced by Pratibha. See why the two individuals in the same situation has reacted in a different way, because the perception of the viewpoint of these two individuals may vary according to their the way interrupt the things. Okay, Pratibha and Gautam have perceived the same situation differently. Why they have perceived the situation differently? Maybe because it may be true that the colleagues may not have reached to Pratibha, or Pratibha and Gautam, both of them, not in the same way. That could be one of the reason. They could be approached to her in a different way and to Gautam in a different way. So it could be one of the reasons. And the second reason might be, it might be because of the personality. They might be because of the different personality types. So I have told that some people may be very aggressive, some people may be very quiet and introvert, some people may be very sociable. They would like to be with the people, with the group. So that is type of, maybe because of the personality differences between Gautam and Pratibha. And coming to the next one, Gautam may be more approachable. Maybe Gautam is more extrovert. He love people, being with the people. If people laughs at him, he feels that, oh yeah, they are very making me comfortable. It is ice breaking. Maybe it is one of the ice breaking. That's why they are smiling at me, means it is one type of welcoming. The same situation when it is given to Pratibha, she has taken that in a negative way, maybe because of her introvert personality, might be. So it is, maybe the people have reacted differently because of their personality, difference in their personality traits. And Gautam may be more approachable, while Pratibha maybe very reserved kind of personality and introvert type of personality, right? So on the other hand, the other employees may have reacted to both Pratibha and Gautam. First one is controversial. What I have told, maybe those two, all the colleagues may not reacted to Gautam and Pratibha similarly. Because of that, they have reacted in a different way. And in case if they have both reacted to the situation, all the colleagues have reacted to both of them in the same way, both of them, that is to Gautam and Pratibha in the same way, but each person may have interpreted their behavior differently. Maybe all the colleagues have reacted in the similar way to both the new colleagues, maybe, but because of their difference in their personality traits, both have reacted differently. They have perceived both the situations in a different way because of their personality type, extrovert and reserved type of personality. So the difference in their perception and could be the cause of their differences in their personalities, attitudes, and interpretation of situation. What would be the main cause of people reacting to the situations differently? It could be the difference in the perception, the way you viewpoint the things, the way you take the things. So it is the difference between these two people is perception. And could be this perception make because of the type of differences in the attitudes of the people, personality of the people, and interpretation of the situations, made to interpret the situations in a different way. So Pratibha may have been more anxious about her new job and therefore not very sure about herself. She's very anxious about the new job and she's not sure about the about herself. Hence she did not perceive the situation amicably, comfortably, because she don't know how to react to the situation. Maybe already I have said she is an introvert kind of personality, might be, or else reserved kind of personality who cannot take some of the things. Okay, so because of that she might have not reacted amicably with her colleagues. So Gautam, however, may be an extrovert kind of personality and highly confident person. As a result of this, he may have perceived the same situation in a very amicable manner, in a more comfortable manner, and a very happily. He has taken the situation very, very happily. So that is how two different personalities or two different people with different perceptions may lead to different outcomes. So when individuals are exposed to a variety of stimuli or situations in that environment, they process the stimuli or the situation and interpret them. Okay, when two or more people are exposed to the same situation, each may react to the situation differently. The process of receiving the information and making sense is known as perception. What is that? The process of receiving the information and making sense out of that is known as perception. The individual's behavior is determined to a larger extent by the environment in which they are gone through, in which they are processed, in which environment they have been gone through. Based upon that also the perception of the people may change.